I'm Brian, and I'm coming to you live from Charlotte, North Carolina. Many of you enjoy Chick-Fil-A from time to time. They carry the best fast food around. I wouldn't even consider it fast food. The food is so fresh and tasty. From their chicken nuggets, to their original chicken sandwich, to their famous ice cream cone, it's all so delicious. Today you're in for a treat. I will be showing you how to make a classic menu item of theirs. Unfortunately, they don't carry this item anymore, but now you'll be able to make it at home on your own. First made 4 decades ago by the founder, Truett Cathley, here's carrot raisin salad. First you're going to gather 4.5 cups of shredded carrots, and then 1 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Don't strain the juice, because that juice is important. Alright, and then you're going to need 3/4 cups of raisins, 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and then 1 1/4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon. Alright, now you're going to take these ingredients and you're going to pour them in the mixing bowl one by one. Before the sugar, I like to stir it up just a little bit, just to get the stirring going. Alright, that should be good. Now we can add the sugar. This is when you want to really stir it well. Make sure the pineapple is not all clumped together. Right, and we can add the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Stir it up just a little bit more. Now for the best taste, you're going to want to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And then after that, you can serve and enjoy. This recipe serves about 13 to 14 people. If you'd like it to make it for more or less, you can use the correct proportions on the ingredients. After it's sit, it should be very, very cold and even better to taste. Now that you've learned this easy steps, you can have Chick-fil-A anytime you want, for holidays, dinners, or even just a light snack. Don't forget to let your mom in on the secret.